Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Radmin VPN for gaming safely and legally. Radmin VPN lets you create private virtual networks so you can play multiplayer games like Redmi, Minecraft, or any game that supports LAN play, with friends no matter where they are. It's fully legal to use, but it doesn't bypass regional restrictions, so you should only play games you already have access to. To get started, download and install Radmin VPN on your device. Open the app, sign in, and create a virtual network. Give your network a name and password, then have your friends join it by entering the same details. Once everyone is connected, open your game, like Redmi, and choose LAN or local network multiplayer. The game will detect everyone in the same virtual network, letting you play together just like you were on the same local network. Radmin VPN encrypts your connection and keeps your network private, which is safe and secure. If you run into connection issues, try switching servers or restarting the app. This usually fixes most problems. Always keep the app updated for the best performance. You have two main ways to join a network. The first is a private network. Here, you enter the network name and password that your friend has created, and you'll connect directly to them. The second option is a for gaming network, where you can browse available networks created for multiplayer gaming, select one from the list, and join instantly. Once you're connected, open your game, like Redmi, and select LAN or local network multiplayer. The game will detect everyone in the same virtual network, letting you play together as if you were on the same local network. Radmin VPN encrypts your connection and keeps your network private, which is safe and secure. While Radmin VPN works great for LAN-style gaming, there's an even easier and safer option, NordVPN. With NordVPN, you don't have to create or manage networks manually. It encrypts all your internet traffic automatically, keeps your connection private, and works seamlessly across Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone. It's perfect for gaming online securely and smoothly without any complicated setup. You can try NordVPN at a great price using the link in the description or by scanning the QR code on the screen. It's fully legal, safe, and makes your online gaming experience easier and more secure than Radmin VPN for most players.